Okay, so got the carburettor. I found the easiest way to do that is actually remove the pipes between the carburettor and the airbox. Just makes it a lot easier to get to stuff and move the carburettor, which was mounted on studs. That's another thing, the studs, I've just had to remove the studs from these two holes here. I'm going to put them in, there they are, M8 studs. The nuts, usual Japanese stuff, they're 12mm across flats, so a 12mm spanner. I'm just going to put a dab of Loctite on there. I've managed to find this Loctite 270 stud lock. Don't know how old it is. It's green and it'll probably work. So that's the next thing. Put the studs in with a dab of Loctite on, and then mount the carburettor back onto the intake manifold.